Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to measure the direction of your home or house using an online compass. I actually did a video before, I think a few years ago, but obviously something has changed, so I have to make an update here in this video. First, the website no longer exists that being mentioned in my last video. So now the updated website is this one, osmcompass.com. So first of all, you need to go to this website and now click this draw single leg route. So this is the simple, we just want a single route. Okay, press this one. And it appears as a Google map. So click OK. A search box here appears. So enter a location you want to measure. So New York. I try to use the same location I used in my last video. So if you watch both the video, you get a better idea. So this is this one. We close it. So we zoom into New York. Let's find the place where I mentioned before. Should be here, Broadway and East 27, I think. So keep on going. East 27 here. Okay, East 27th Street and Broadway. So we zoom in a little bit more. So I've got it here now. Okay. Now, for example, we reach our destination. This is the premises we want to measure, for example. Okay. Now what we want to do is now press Show Compass. Show Compass, and there's a compass up here. You can drag the compass anywhere here to place the center point here onto the entrance of your premises, or where the main entrance of your premises. And then you use the rotate function here, rotate. What the arrow points is the facing direction. So if your main door is here, and the main door facing this direction, and you can use this button to extend the line as well. You can always do it like that. Okay. You can rotate it again. So this line, for example, this arrow and this side, the three sides of the compass here, helps you to align very exactly the angle. For example, you can see here, this side of the compass align perfectly with the wall of the building. The straight line here, you can see, align very perfectly. This is the parallel, obviously, parallel. So don't do this like that. So make it like this. So all the lines are parallel. You see the red line here as well? It's parallel to those walls of the building. So the center point here is your main entrance. And here is what it faces, the facing angle. So that's it. And now we need to do is draw route. Click this button here on the top right-hand corner. And a window will display showing you the origin latitude, origin longitude, and the magnetic declination angle. This is very important. As you can see in New York, USA, the angle is quite big, 12 degree, okay? For example, in where I live now in Hong Kong, the angle is very small. So that means if you use a real compass that you bought in any stationery store, a real compass, you get the angle quite similar to the true north. But if you use the compass in New York, the declination angle could be much bigger. Now it's 12 degree. So this is information here. It's very important. Compass bearing 221 degree. This information is what I need. Before, I remember using this website is that you can actually copy the information from this box by just dragging. You can copy, but now this function is being blocked. So what I suggest, you need a piece of paper. You have to write it down. What I need is the latitude, longitude, and this information. You can just write down 221.76 degree. 221.76 degree is the angle facing here. And that's it. That's enough for my online Feng Shui survey. Or if you know how to do a screenshot, it would be much better if you know how to do a screenshot. You just capture this screen, okay, and then just send the information to me. In that case, I can have a look as well whether you have placed the compass in the correct position or anything like that. Okay, press this button and that will show you, this line will show you actually adjusted after the magnetic declination, the actual angle will actually show you here. See, adjusted on the right also is the adjusted compass bearing, 221.76 degree. Okay, this piece of information is very important for us. And that's it for today. And I hope it helps when you watch my last video. And this is the most recent update to that video. I also put the information about my website, and if you need any help doing an online Feng Shui, you can always go to my website. Thank you very much indeed.